And welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to record your iPhone screen. So for iPhone screen recording you don't need any third-party application. You will need to add it to your control center. Swipe down and then you can see these options here. You can see this is the option of screen record. If you tap and hold on it, you can see this option, screen recording. You can tap on this one here, microphone on or off. If you tap on it, it will off the microphone, and if you tap on it, it will on the microphone. And then you just have to simply tap on this start recording. It will start recording your screen. Now you can easily do your work and your screen recording is start. Now to stop your screen recording, you just have to tap on this one. You can see this red button here. It's telling you the time here. Just simply tap on it and then you will see this option, screen recording. You have to tap on this stop and your screen recording will be saved, as you can see this option here. So that's how you can start screen recording in iPhone. And if you can't find your screen recorder here, what you can do is you can tap and hold on this empty space here, and then you will see this option. You can simply tap on this add control, and then you can easily add anything here, whatever you want. So you will find the screen recording here if you can't find it on your control center. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.